Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In this video I'm going to show you how to print more than 4 columns of the contacts list. Okay, so when you go to your contacts list and for example you are into a cards or maybe excerpt list style, then if you try to export as CSV the contacts, then okay, let's try to open this CSV. Then only 4 columns are available. Okay, so the question is how to put more than these 4 predefined columns that are exported into the CSV file. Okay, the key is to go back to the table list style, and as you can see it has printed these 4 columns: full name, job title, company and address. And if you'd like to just print more, and if you wish all the available columns, then you have to expand the options here and then just put the needed columns onto the right. In our example, we are going to even move all the available columns to be into the selected columns. Okay, so only 4 are left. Alright, so we click on apply, and now we have all the columns available. Because they are not visible onto the screen, there is a scroll bar onto the bottom, so you can just use the scroll bar to see all the available columns. There are a lot of them. Okay, and just one more hint: if you'd like not every time to repeat these steps, you could just save your board with all columns. So you click on save here, and yeah, it could be to me only or to these rows or anything else, it depends on your needs, and put a name that is going to be in accordance with your needs as well. I'm going to put it to be all columns contacts list. Okay, so I click save, and if I clear the board or for example go somewhere else, sorry about that, into the issues and return back to contacts, then I can access this query anytime. Here to the right, my custom queries, all columns contacts list. Okay, here are only 4 columns by default, and if I click here onto this query, all columns contacts list, then it is automatically selected all the columns that we have just saved before. Okay, so when you try now to export this as CSV file, then you have to click here on all columns, then encoding to UTF-8, and then export. Okay, so we open the new exported CSV contacts file. Alright, we just wait to start, and here click on OK, and we see that now all the available columns are appearing here to the exported file. So when we move the scroll to the right, we see that all columns are now here available. Okay, yeah, so this is the way of making more than the predefined number of columns available that are going to be exported into the CSV contacts file list. So I hope this video was good and helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check others, videos and articles from RedmineUP. Please check our channel on YouTube, and if you have any questions or problems, please do not hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. Thanks again for watching this, and bye bye for now.